Hello dear students, welcome to the online class. Dear students, in our previous class we have learned about report for writing part 1. We have learned some short questions about report. Today we shall learn about essay. I have arranged some short questions for essay. These are here. So let us discuss one by one. You can see on the screen so many questions are here. These are short questions for essay for writing part 1. Question number 1. What is an essay? Question number 1. What is an essay? So, an essay is a non-fictional short composition on a particular subject. An essay is a non-fictional. You have to remember 3 points to write in your answer. These are: an essay is a non-fictional short composition. It should be non-fiction. Okay. It should have to be non-fictional. And second, it should be short composition. It should be a short composition. And number 3, it should be on a particular subject. So, an essay is a non-fictional short composition on a particular subject. Okay. Number 2, what are the basic parts of an essay? What are the basic parts of an essay? An essay has 3 basic parts. Okay. An essay has 3 basic parts. These are introduction. Number 1, introduction. Number 2, body. And number 3, conclusion. Okay. Question number 3. What is thesis statement? What is thesis statement? A thesis statement is the main idea of an essay. You have to remember that thesis statement is the main idea of the essay. Okay. Or you can say thesis statement is the main or the controlling idea of an essay. Controlling idea. You can say also controlling idea. In an essay, it serves the same function as a topic sentence does in a paragraph. You know, a paragraph has a topic sentence, and same as paragraph, an essay has a thesis statement. Okay. So, you can say in an essay, it serves the main function of a topic sentence does in a paragraph. And this is the main idea of the essay. Question number 4. What are the types of essay? What are the types of essay? There are many kinds of essay. They are narrative essay, descriptive essay, argumentative essay, critical essay, persuasive essay. Now, question number 5. Question number 5. What is a narrative essay? A narrative essay is a kind of essay in which a series of events are narrated. A series of events. You have to remember, a series of events are narrated chronologically. Okay. In a narrative essay, things are or series of events are narrated chronologically. So it is called a narrative essay. Now the question number 6. What is a descriptive essay? The descriptive essay means a type of composition which consists of a specific details of some places or things is called descriptive essay. Again, I am saying, listen to me very attentively. Descriptive essay is a kind of composition which consists of a specific details of some places or things. Of some places or things is called descriptive essay. Question number 7. What is an expository essay? Expository essay means a kind of essay which refers to the type of essay which deals with a clear and full explanation of any subject, like a scientific subject or literary subject. So, an expository essay is a kind of essay which deals with a clear and full explanation of any subject, like scientific subject or literary subject. Now, question number 8. What is an argumentative essay? Argumentative. An argumentative essay is a genre of writing by which the writer establishes his or her own view by putting strong arguments throughout the process of investigation of a topical and collection generation as well as evaluation of evidence. Question number 9. What is a critical essay? So, dear students, a critical essay is an in-depth analysis or evaluation of a topic. Suppose we have read some poems. So after reading a poem, we have read the critical summary or critical analysis of a poem. So you can say the critical analysis is a kind of critical essay. So this is a kind of critical essay. So what is a critical essay? A critical essay is an in-depth analysis or evaluation of a topic. Next, what is a persuasive essay? Persuasive essay means persuasive essay refers to the essay in which the writer attempts to convince the reader. In which the writer attempts to convince the readers his or her own view by showing logic and reasons. By showing logic and reasons. Next question is, what are the similarities between a thesis statement and a topic statement? As we have learned earlier, thesis statement is the main idea of an essay, and topic statement is the main idea of a paragraph. So, similarities between a thesis and a statement and a topic statement is a topic sentence used in a paragraph, whereas a thesis statement is used in an essay. A topic sentence is a complete sentence with clear and precise like a thesis statement. Both are similar. You can say both are similar. But one is used in essay and another one is used in a paragraph. That's all. Next one, question number 12. How is descriptive essay different from expository essay? So, the difference between descriptive essay and expository essay. Descriptive essay is a type of essay that explains a description of some places or things. Descriptive essay describes places or things. Again, on the other hand, an expository essay is a clear and full explanation of any idea or theory. That's all. Now, question number 13. How is descriptive essay is different from a narrative essay? So, as we have learned earlier, descriptive essay describes any places or things. Okay, and narrative essay also narrates a series of events chronologically. So, this is the difference between them. Descriptive essay describes a place or things. Again, on the other hand, narrative essay narrates a series of events, but it should be chronological. That's the difference. So we can say description essay is a type of essay that gives a description of places or things, whereas in a narrative essay, some events or incidents are narrated in a chronological order. That's all. So now question number 14. How is an essay different from a short story? Difference between a short story and an essay. So the difference is, an essay is a short non-fictional. Essay is a short non-fictional prose composition. An essay is a non-fictional. You have to remember non-fictional prose composition. Where as a short story is a short fictional prose composition. One is non-fictional, that is essay. Another one is fictional, that is short story. Okay, which one is non-fictional? It is essay. And which one is fictional? That is short story. Okay, now the last and the 15 number question is, how is an essay different from a paragraph? So the difference between an essay and a paragraph is, an essay is a kind of prose composition, and essay is a kind of prose composition, and it has more than 2 or 3 paragraphs. An essay has more than 2 or 3 paragraphs. Okay, again, a paragraph is a short piece of prose. A paragraph is a short piece of prose which has only one paragraph. So the difference is in the number of paragraphs. Essay has more than 2 or 3 paragraphs. On the other hand, a paragraph has only one paragraph. Okay. So dear students, that's all for today. Thank you all for joining me. Stay home, stay safe.